Hi, this is Raman. Welcome to another episode of the 10,000 Trade Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. Today, we'll take a look at a double top trade setup. A double top trade setup is a bearish reversal pattern, and now we're looking for price to drop. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at what a double top trade setup looks like, how to identify this pattern, and how to trade it effectively. Here we're looking at a double top trade setup. This is Euro US dollar 15-minute chart. A double top trade setup is when price comes into a support resistance level and then bounces off of that level. Here we see that price has come into our resistance level here and we get a bearish pin bar, and then it comes to test this level again, second time around. So this will be our double top here. So we get our double top. Once this candle closes at the close of this candle, we can enter a trade short. So double top is a bearish reversal pattern and we're looking for price to drop. So we enter the trade short. Our stop would go above the resistance here. And again, we want to make sure we give our trade some room to breathe. So we enter the trade short at the close of this candle and then we wait for price to drop. If you did not take this trade at the close of this candle, another level to take a trade from would be this. After we get this bearish engulfing candle close here, that's a good place to enter a short as well. But for the double top here, we would just enter the trade at the close of this candle because this is our double top pattern. So we stay with the trade, and when we see that price comes into the next support and resistance level, we have a double bottom here, and now we see that price gives us a bullish pin bar here. So that's a good place for us to exit the trade because this is a strong support level and then price could bounce off of this level. And if you did not exit the trade at this, you can also exit the trade at this bullish pin bar here as well. From entry to exit here, we get 66 pips in our trade. So just to recap here, this is a double top trade setup. We have our double top here at this resistance level. Price had been moving higher. It comes into the resistance, bounces off of that level, and then goes into that resistance once again, and we get a big bearish candle close here. We would enter the trade short at the close of our bearish candle here. Our stop would go above the high here, and we wait for the price to drop. And when we see that price comes into our support level, we have a bullish pin bar. That's a good place for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 66 pips in our trade. So our profit is $660 if trading one standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please feel free to share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time.